Come take a look at this new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, very dark cashmere, light cashmere, leather appointed front seats, onyx black, window, power, rear sliding seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, PowerTech package, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outlined leather, wheels, 4 18 inches x8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, chrome-clad aluminum, 6-spoke, and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.